Hello everyone, I Syed Nawaz and welcome back you to my YouTube channel Petroleum Universe. So in today's video we are going to see one of the numerical problem which appears in GATE 2016, and in this question we are going to find the permeability. Okay, so let us quickly see the question. The question number is 41 for your reference, and the GATE year is 2016. Question is like, a brine is used to measure the absolute permeability of a core plug. The rock sample is 4 cm long and its cross-sectional area is 4 cm square. The brine has a viscosity of 2 centipoise and is flowing at a constant rate of 0.5 centimeter cube per second under a 4 atmospheric pressure differential. The absolute permeability we have to find in terms of Darcy's. So let us quickly see the problem for this. So first I wrote the given data: length of a core as 4 centimeter, area as 4 centimeter square, viscosity as 2 centipoise, and flow rate is 0.5 centimeter cube per second, and pressure differential is 4 atmosphere. Okay, so as I wrote two formulae over here, that Q equal to minus Ka by mu dP by dL, and next is 1.127 into 10 power minus 3 Ka pressure differential divided by mu into L. Although we have another formula as Q equal to 7.083 into 10 power minus 3, same as Ka P2 minus P1 divided by mu into ln of R E by Rw. So that 7.08 we are using if we have a radius of wellbore and radius of the reservoir. Although we don't have any such kind of data over here, we just have the length and area of a core. So for that purpose we can use one of these two formula. And apart from that, as you can see over here, that 1.127 into 10 power minus 3 is a unit conversion from CGS to field units. Okay, whereas you can see where Q is in CGS units, so that I have converted into 1.127 means meter cube per second in such units, right? So even though we have a negative sign over here, the reason why this negative sign is applied over here is for pressure and length relation, right? So the relation between pressure and length is like they are inversely proportional to each other. So as the pressure increase in one direction, then within the same within the same path the length crosses the pressure in opposite way. So to avoid such errors in calculation, we are just using this negative sign, right? So now let us quickly calculate. Right, so as I said you, which formula we have to use. So here we have units in terms of CGS, right? So for that we have to use the first formula. So what's the formula? Q equal to minus Ka by mu dP by dL. So as we know, we have to find permeability, which is denoted as K. So I am just quickly substituting the value. 0.5 centimeter cube per second is nothing but the value of flow rate, and K we have to find out. The pressure, the area is 4 centimeter square, and the viscosity is 2 centipoise, and pressure differential is 4 atmosphere, and and length as 4 centimeter. So if you further simplify, this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled, this 2 and this 4 will go for 2 times, as what I did over here, as you can see. Then finally you can see that 0.5 equal to K into this particular 2, right? So if I am just simplifying everything in terms of K, then it will turn into this form, which is nothing but K equal to 0.5 divided by 2. So if you further simplify this, you will get the final answer as 0.25 Darcy. Although this formula is in terms of Darcy only. If you want in terms of millidarcy, then you have to divide it by 1000. Then you will get 0.25 divided by 1000 in terms of millidarcy. So that's an end for today's video. I hope you understand how to find and what formula you have to use to find permeability when you have 3 different formulas, like 2 written over here, and one is like Q equal to 7.083 into 10 power minus 3. So that you have to use in terms of radius of wellbore and reservoir. This you have to use if you have different unit conversions from CGS to FPS, and apart from this you have to use when you have an CGS unit, right? Okay, then that's an end for today's video. Hope you like it. So if you have any doubts and comments or any suggestions, then you can use my comment box. And if you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Petroleum Universe. And that's an end. Please press the bell icon to receive the latest notification of my videos. And thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.